Welcome to Sign Your Doc. Hello everyone, I'm Kisan from Sign Your Doc. Please subscribe our YouTube channel so you will get the latest information and update on time. In this video, we will discuss how to download Mask Aadhaar card. To download Mask Aadhaar card, open your browser and search for UIDI Aadhaar card website. Open the first website uidi.gov.in. This is the official Aadhaar card website. With this website, you can download and you can update your Aadhaar card. Here you can find My Aadhaar option. Under My Aadhaar, you can find Download Aadhaar option. Click on that option. After that, scroll down the page and you can find Download Aadhaar option. Click on that option. After that, you need to enter your 12-digit Aadhaar card number. And here you need to enter the CAPTCHA. After that, click on Send OTP option. Check your registered mobile number and here you need to enter the OTP. After that, the most important thing, here you can find the Do you want a mask Aadhaar card option. You need to click on that option. And after that, you need to click on Verify and Download option. Here you can check your Aadhaar card is successfully downloaded. You can open your Aadhaar card from here. Your Aadhaar card is password protected, so you need to enter the password. For example, if your name is Anish Y. Kumar and your year of birth is 1989, then your Aadhaar card password is ANIS, first four letter of your name, and 1989. You need to enter this password here and click on submit and you can find your mask Aadhaar card.
Please subscribe to our YouTube channel and press bell button for the latest update and information.